Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I hope that you have a very good day. Today I'm gonna share you some egg hacks I found really interesting and very funny too. Now the first tip. Yeah, I have an egg here. Oh, it's kind of stained. But if I have some salt, now let's put some salt. Now let's see whether it can stain or not. Wow, amazing. That's very fun. Now I have some eggs here. I will open it. Now I need to get the yolk from the white egg. Should I use the chopstick to get it? No. Let's try this way. I use a bottle. Yeah, it works. And if the yolk is broken already, let's use the eggshell. Remember to wash the eggs before you do anything with the egg. Now I will get the yolk. The eggshell has the sharp side here, so it's easy for you to get the yolk, easier when you use the spoon. Okay, now I'm done to separate the yolk from the egg white. And now I'm gonna make a very beautiful egg fry. I turn on the heat. Some cooking oil. The yolk. Now I will cut the eggs off. It would be more interesting for your kids to see those dishes on the table for lunch or for dinner, or even for breakfast. Some people find it hard to peel the eggshell after you boil it. Today I'm gonna share you the tips, the very simple tip that when you boil egg. Eggs broken. Now I will cut a slice of lemon. When you boil eggs, I put a slice of lemon. I boil it for 5 minutes. Now let's see, can we peel the egg easily? So just put a slice of lemon and the white egg will not stick to the eggshell. You see, I can peel the egg easily. Now I'm going to share you a very simple way to cut egg in half beautifully. I use a straw, then I cut it. Very cute flower I have here. And another way I use a toothpick and I use something called floss. Now I will try the dental floss into the toothpick. I need to poke it into the egg. Right, now I will move it, fold the dental floss into zigzag motion. Here, I have some egg flowers here.